Tesla's reputation is looking good in China. And this was a big question mark. And people wondered, okay, you what do you think? You're going to drop a gigafactory everywhere you go? You're going to hop on a plane, show up in a place, snap your fingers, gigafactory car. Is that what you're going to do, Mr. Elon Musk? So people were a bit skeptical that, like, could you replicate what you've done elsewhere? And it turns out that JD Power in China, the China division, they do, just like everywhere else, they do the initial quality survey. Mm-hmm. And the way this works actually is that you want to get a low score, not a high score. You know, some games you want to get a low score. Name a game you want to get a low score, not a high score.
Score? I was thinking Tetris, but that is a score. Like, you got to get a high score. I was thinking low because you don't want any bricks.
Golf, Will. You want to get a low score in golf.
Okay. Yeah. Clearly, I don't play golf. So, yeah. Is that the obvious answer? I don't know if that was. I was thinking like a digital game.
I know.
But Tetris
It's always high. It's always high. Which it's actually not that many games that you want to get a low score.
Man. Come on now.
What's that?
It's tough.
It is. Yeah, it's a tough one. It's not that many games, which is why golf is strange. You want to take as few shots as possible, and a great score is a negative score. Like, you want to be in the minus.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's uncommon in sports and games that a low score is good. Well, anyway, in JD Power's survey, a low score is good. It means fewer initial problems, quality problems with a particular product, and they do all kinds of products, or cars mostly. I don't know if they do other products. But anyways, Tesla came in second, just behind its rival NIO, 113 points compared to 109 for NIO. Tesla says that its manufacturing process is managed based on the highest standards and in a consistent manner. And just to put this in perspective, people had expectations that this might not be the case with a new plant and things like this. You know, you've heard some of the quality issues even domestically with the Model Y recently. And so it was kind of a little toss-up, but it feels like they got the Model 3 thing figured out, whether it's over there in the Shanghai plant or if it's over here. It seems like they sort of got it figured out. Tesla Model 3 is well received by Chinese consumers as its design and performance beat their expectations in many aspects, said Jeff Kai, general manager of auto product practice at JD Power China. In terms of driving experience and digital connectivity, conventional car brands now have a lot to learn from smart EV makers like Tesla. The quality survey could actually help Tesla as well to continue to dominate in the Chinese market, which is not easy to do as an American brand. There's not that many that are doing it. Apple comes to mind, although their revenue has been declining in China. It's tough. There's so much competition in China for EVs. Mm-hmm. It's out of control. But people like Teslas, and they're delivering a product that is meeting people's initial quality standards. And now that people know that, it's only going to make it more appealing in that particular market.
Wonder how much it is for a Model 3 in China.
You know what? We can find it. Why don't we get right to the bottom of that?
Okay.
Model 3 price in China. I would assume, Will, it would be competitive to here,
like
considering
grand?
the fact that the plant is right there.
35 grand?
36,000. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. 36,800 to start.
And I guess the Gigafactory in Shanghai does make the difference.
Absolutely. Yeah, there's no import. There's nothing. It's right there. It's ready to go. You have the local labor, and the local government loves it. I don't know how much they love it, but you know what I'm saying. They prefer it for obvious reasons, employment and such. So those, if you had concerns, if you're in that market, or if you're an investor, it turns out that the quality of the Shanghai Model 3s is comparable to where everywhere else they're being made.
Mm-hmm.